Here we got a DR wood chipper and a 18 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, twin cylinder, and yeah, basically set out for a while. It's old, not that old really, but it's probably from I guess early 2000s, maybe 99 or something like that. There is a hole in the exhaust right there, but the wiring was a little weird. The battery's dead, and this is a switch you would push down, and you would have the one side of the wire go here, one to there. Well, the switch isn't working more, so I just connected them both, and I jumper it with a jumper cable off of my truck. But I'm trying to sell this. It runs pretty good. Tires hold air. I took the covers off because I had to take this apart, because when I got it there was a it was clogged with wood chips and vines. Apparently it doesn't like vines. It'll do, you know, regular chips pretty well, just, you know, sticks and stuff, but vines tangle it up. And so I took off the panels, and I've lost the bolts since then, but it works fine with them off, and I got the belt cover and everything. But we'll start up here and so hear it run. Basically, I replaced the fuel line to it, and there was a different type of throttling lever here, and it was messed up, so I took a choke off of a carburetor, and this controls the throttle now, and that works pretty good. And it still has the choke, original choke, and I found out when this wire is connected, it will not run. I believe that goes to this on-off switch, and that switch must be bad. So if you want to stop it, you just touch that wire there. But we'll start it up. Jumper cable. Yeah, but it works. The only thing I've noticed is one of the teeth is chipped, but it chips up pretty well. I wouldn't put any vines in it. It seems to tangle up easy on vines. But that's the engine, working order. You know, it's set for a while, but I got it to run. 18 horsepower engine. I'll be putting this on Craigslist. So yeah. Anyway.